So you guys might have seen so many of these floor slash room transformational videos, and nobody talks about a clear free method you can go ahead and create these kind of videos without paying a single dollar. Yeah, that's right, you guys. So today in this video, I'm going to show you a complete free method and the absolutely correct method you can create these kind of very accurate room slash floor transformational videos without paying any money. So without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, as this is a free method to create these kind of videos, you're gonna go to ChatGPT, and initially I basically readied a prompt for you guys, which you can simply go ahead and copy paste inside of ChatGPT, and it's gonna go ahead and start creating the prompts for you guys. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and simply copy this, and don't worry, you guys, I'm gonna drop the link of this prompt down in the description for you so that you can generate very easily these room slash floor transformational videos. I'm gonna paste it inside of ChatGPT, and then simply at the very end of this huge lengthy prompt, you just have to input your room type, like in what area of the room, or like in what room you want the floor transformation. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with bedroom. You can go ahead and start like washroom, studio room, office room, whatever you want. I'm gonna simply click enter, and simply then you're going to realize ChatGPT is going to go ahead and start creating you the image prompts as well as the video prompts for you guys, which means first of all you have to create your images, and then you have to animate those images later very easily with the help of free AI tools that I'll be showing you in this video as well. All right, you guys. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and start by creating images. So I'm going to go ahead and simply start with my first image prompt, which is empty under construction. I'm going to simply copy this whole prompt over here, come into Google Gemini. We're going to go ahead and simply type over here Gemini inside of Google. Click on the first tab just like that, and make sure you go ahead and click on create image, because we are creating images over here. And as you guys can see right over here, I'm using the free version. So yeah, you also don't have to pay for any single AI tool right over here. I'm gonna simply paste my prompt inside of Google Gemini. Make sure you select create image once again, click on submit, and after some time Google Gemini is going to go ahead and create the amazing starting reference image for you for your floor transformational videos, you guys. Okay. All right, so here we have our starting image. So this looks good. And similarly, I'm going to go ahead and go back to ChatGPT, copy paste my second prompt inside of Google Gemini, just like that. And now, very important point, make sure you take this reference image and provide inside of Google Gemini, because we don't want to go ahead and lose our reference image. So our whole renovation will based on this image right over here. So make sure you copy this image, simply paste it inside of Gemini so that Gemini have the reference. So it's going to go ahead and do the modification around this image, like renovation around this particular image. So I'm going to go ahead and click on submit once again. All right, and this is our second image for the reference image that we provided, and you guys can see it looks absolutely perfect. And then we're gonna go ahead and simply go back to ChatGPT. Now copy paste our third prompt from here, just like that, into Google Gemini. And again, we have to do the same thing, copy the latest reference image and paste it inside of our next prompt, just like that, and then simply click on submit. All right, here it is, looks absolutely perfect. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the rest for our fourth prompt, just like that. Copy it, come to Gemini, paste it right over here. Again, copy your latest reference image, paste it inside of Gemini, and simply click on submit, you guys. Okay. All right, so here we go, guys. So once all of your images are done, so now our first step is completed. You just need to go ahead and download all of your images one by one accordingly. Okay, so for the next step, we need to go ahead and animate our images into videos. So for that, we're going to go ahead and go to Google Flow, and we're going to go to Google VO3 inside of Google Flow, just like that. And as you guys can see right over here, I have already created some of the results. So I was testing it out, and after testing out many of the generation, this is the best method I came out with. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and start by uploading the 4 images that I created with Google Gemini, just like that, inside of Google VEO3 in Google Flow. Okay, so once our images are uploaded inside of Google VEO3, so the next thing is we need to go ahead and tweak some settings. So make sure inside of Flow you select video and make sure you select frames to video, not ingredients to video, okay? You have to select frames to video because we'll be using that. Make sure you select 9:16 aspect ratio, X1 and VO 3.1 fast. And as you guys can see right over here, I am using the free version of Google VEO3 and it gives me 150 credits in which I can go ahead and create like 7 to 8 these kind of clips, which are pretty much enough for me to create at least 2 to 3 videos of mine every single day. And every single day it basically, refreshes, so you get like 50 to 100 credits every single day. So that is really good about Google VEO3. All right, so once my images are uploaded, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my first image, which was under constructed bedroom. And for the end frame, I'm gonna go ahead and select my second image, which was that, place it as add end frame. Okay, and then for the prompt, you need to go ahead and come back to ChatGPT where we created the prompts. And first of all, we're gonna start by the video prompt number 1. I'm gonna simply copy this whole thing. And as you guys can see over here, it's showing me, you have to use this video 1 prompt for image 1 to image 2. So that's exactly what I did. I put my image 1 as first frame and image 2 as the second frame. And over here, I'm going to simply drop my prompt and click on submit. And similarly, I'm going to go ahead and do for the second video prompt, which is image 2 to image 2 to image 3. I'm going to simply copy this prompt from here, come back to VEO3, and I'm gonna select my second prompt, just place it into the add start frame, and my third prompt to add end frame, and simply paste my second prompt over here, click on enter. And then I'm gonna do the same, copy my third prompt from here, and for that we have to use image 3 and image 4. Okay, so image 3 was this one and image 4 was this one. I'm gonna place it in add end frame, and simply for the prompt, copy paste this, click on submit. Okay, and it's going to take around only like a minute or so to create all of our clips, and once it's done, I'm going to show you the final output, you guys. Okay, all right, so once my videos are done, let me show you one of them, like how it's going to turn out. So this is the first video generated. So yeah, that turned out very well, and this was the last video that it generated. Take a look at this one. All right, so yeah, that is really, really good as well. And from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply download all of my videos from this download button, just like that. All right, so once all of my videos are downloaded, so the next thing is we need to go ahead and basically, combine all of these videos together. So for that, you can use any video editor you want. You can use CapCut, Adobe, or I'm using Filmora in this case because it's very easy for me. I'm going to simply, drop all of my clips right over here. And then after that, simply drag those clips to the timeline just like that, one by one. And once everything is done, simply need to go ahead and export this, and let me show you the final output. So there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method. You can go ahead and create these kind of very viral room/floor transformational videos. So yeah, if you have any more videos, like suggestion, kindly comment down below, or you can message me or DM me on Instagram at aizenstudios.yt, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.